If you have ever looked closely in the mirror and noticed tiny dark dots scattered across your nose, or felt that rough, bumpy texture along your cheeks no matter how many times you wash your face, you already know exactly how this skin feels. Oily skin, clogged pores, that dull, tired look that shows up after a long day in heat, humidity, and pollution. Today, we are going to slowly work through all of that, one gentle step at a time, until this skin feels calm, clean, and completely refreshed. Take a slow breath with me and let's begin. Before we start any cleansing, let's take a close look at the skin exactly as it is right now. Under this soft lighting, you can see the natural shine sitting across the forehead and nose, a clear sign of excess oil built up throughout the day. If we move in even closer, the pores around the nose and chin appear visibly enlarged, some of them filled with tiny blackheads that have been collecting dirt, oil, and dead skin for who knows how long. The texture across the cheeks looks slightly uneven, a little rough to the touch, the kind of congestion that builds quietly over weeks of city air, sweat, and sunscreen layered on top of unwashed pores. This is such a common skin story, especially for anyone living somewhere warm and humid, where oil production runs high and pores get congested faster than they should. But don't worry, by the end of this session, this same skin is going to look and feel completely different. We begin, as always, with a gentle oil cleanse. This first step is one of the most important parts of any proper Korean skincare routine, because oil actually dissolves oil far better than water ever could. Watch as the cleansing oil is warmed gently between the palms, then smoothed slowly across the entire face in soft circular motions. Listen to that quiet, slippery sound as the oil glides across the skin, melting away the layers of sunscreen, sebum, and the invisible buildup sitting on the surface. The fingertips move slowly around the nose, along the jawline, across the forehead, never rushing, never pressing too hard. This isn't about scrubbing the skin raw. It's about slowly, patiently coaxing out everything that's sitting on top, so the pores underneath finally have room to breathe. As the oil massages in, you can already start to see a subtle change in the skin surface. The harsh shine begins to soften into something smoother, calmer, more even. This is the first gentle release of the day's buildup, and it feels almost meditative to watch. Slow hands, slow circles, slow breathing. Next comes the foam cleanse, the second half of the double cleansing method that Korean skincare is so well known for. A gentle, low pH cleanser is worked into a soft, pillowy lather between the palms before it ever touches the skin. This step is where any remaining oil-based residue gets lifted away, along with the last traces of dirt hiding deep inside the pores. The foam glides across the cheeks, the forehead, gently circling the chin and the sides of the nose, where oil tends to collect the most. You can hear the light, airy sound of the foam moving across damp skin, that soft squeak of clean, freshly washed pores. Rinsed away with lukewarm water, the skin underneath already looks noticeably fresher, no longer sitting under a layer of shine, but calm, clean, and ready for the deeper work ahead. Now, before we move into deep pore cleansing, we need to prepare the skin properly. A warm towel is pressed gently across the entire face, held there for a few slow seconds, allowing the steam and warmth to soften the pores. This step matters more than people realize. Warm steam naturally loosens congestion, softening the hardened oil and debris sitting inside blocked pores, making the next steps far gentler and more comfortable for the skin. As the towel lifts away, you can see the skin has taken on a slightly flushed, warm glow, soft, relaxed, and fully prepared. This is where the most satisfying part of the session truly begins. With the pores softened and open, we move gently into deep pore cleansing. A calming clay or charcoal-based mask is smoothed evenly across the congested areas, mainly the nose, chin, and center of the forehead, where oil and blackheads tend to build up the most. As it's applied, you can watch the product settle into every visible pore, drawing out impurities as it slowly dries. This part takes patience. Nothing here is rushed. The mask simply sits, working quietly, while the room stays calm and quiet around it. Once the mask is gently removed, the real transformation becomes visible. The pores around the nose, once congested and dull, now appear noticeably clearer. This is where blackhead removal happens with careful, controlled precision. Slow, steady pressure applied only where needed, easing out the small congested plugs that have been sitting inside the pores. Stay until the final close-up, because the texture change becomes much clearer near the end of this process. Each little extraction reveals cleaner, smoother skin underneath, and watching the congestion lift away piece by piece is exactly the kind of quiet, satisfying visual this kind of skincare video is loved for. The most satisfying part begins once the pores around the nose start softening and opening up on their own. What once looked like small dark clusters gradually clears into smooth, even skin. A gentle extraction tool glides carefully along the sides of the nose, easing out only what's ready to be released, never forcing, never pressing too hard. Everything here stays soft, slow, and controlled. This is about care, not intensity. After the deeper congestion has been cleared, we move into calming any areas that need a little extra attention, small pimples or slightly irritated spots that oily, acne-prone skin often deals with. A lightweight spot treatment is dabbed gently onto these areas, calming redness and soothing the surface without any harsh rubbing or pressure. This step is never about aggressive treatment. It's about gently supporting the skin's natural healing process, calming inflammation, and letting the skin settle into a more balanced state. At this point, it's worth pausing to talk a little about why the skin barrier matters so much through all of this. When skin produces excess oil and pores get congested, it's easy to assume the answer is to scrub harder, exfoliate more, strip away everything possible. But skin that gets treated too harshly often ends up more irritated, more reactive, and even oilier over time, as it tries to compensate for what was stripped away. That's why every step in this Korean skincare routine focuses on balance instead of force. Cleansing thoroughly, yes, but always followed by steps that calm, hydrate, and protect the skin barrier. A healthy barrier means skin that produces just the right amount of oil, stays resilient against pollution and daily stress, and heals faster from small blemishes. This gentle approach is what actually creates lasting, visible improvement, rather than a temporary strip and shine effect that fades by the next morning. With that in mind, we move into the calming toner and essence step. A soft, hydrating toner is patted gently across the skin using light, quick tapping motions with the fingertips. Listen to that soft patting sound, rhythmic and calming, as the toner sinks in, immediately soothing any tightness left behind from the deep cleansing steps. This is followed by a lightweight essence, known in Korean skincare for delivering a boost of hydration and calm directly into the skin. Smoothed on in slow, gentle layers, the essence leaves the surface looking dewy, soft, and visibly less irritated than before. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us. Take care of your skin gently, and we'll see you in the next session.